Hi everyone, welcome to my another episode of Arch MotoVlog. And I went up here at the on top of the parking lot at SQ1 Mississauga Mall and to test the sound of my exhaust system. Here, that's my slip-on Austin Racing slip-on. It sounds really good. I like it. I purchased it from AliExpress, about almost $100. And if you see that red saucer in my phone mount, that's my LED, actually 6000K. Right there, see my red round thing on my phone mount. It's actually radar. No, I'm just joking. It's just charging. It charges my phone, wireless charger. If you guys like my new setup, let me know in the comment below. And I know some guys may not gonna like buying knockoff exhaust slip-on. Some may support it, but if you want to save some money, just get those slip-on from AliExpress or Amazon. They're not that expensive. You'll save a couple of $100 from original ones. If you're buying the whole system, exhaust system, that's a different story. Then you may need the original one, those really expensive ones.